years ago, Erikan introduced the direct flight. Now it's not so difficult to come to Taiwan from Turkey. So I think Taiwan and Turkey can have more close cooperation, especially in our business. TIAD focus on business and trade, so we would like to promote cooperation, partnership between Taiwan companies and Turkish companies. Most of the time, when we're talking about trade, we have a decrease, have a negative growth rate. But we are very happy this year. We have 4% increase of our export to your good country. But even better is we have 20% increase from Turkey. And TIMTOS this year is a record in terms of companies and space. Booths is a new record. So this year we have 1,100 companies join this exhibition. Not just Taiwan companies, also a lot of foreign participants. And we also have, this year, for the last 2 days, we have visitors from Turkey, about 150 visitors from Turkey. And also our visit from overseas increased for the last 2 days. That means this show still growing. And we are so great. These two shows, TIMTOS and MagTech Eurasia, can get married. For the 2018 show, for your 2018 show, and our TIMTOS 2019, I think that is very good cooperation. 2019, TIMTOS will increase our booth at least 35%. I just count earlier, at least 35%. So we become bigger for our coming machine tool show, for our TIMTOS here.
25 years ago, the market in the machine tool market in Turkey just beginning, and now Turkish market is the number 3 important export country in Turkey. Just like our friendship, P and Hakan, getting stronger, stronger and stronger.
We really appreciate your hospitality, Tamir and Taitra. We had really enjoyed. Everything is well organized. Like both speakers said, Mr. Hakan studied well and he succeeded. Free and easy visa and daily flights. There is no excuse to increase our business. And now he gave us a new mission to be represented in TIMTOS, next TIMTOS, as a Turkish pavilion. We will target to introduce you as Turkish missionary in Taiwan.
Family values in Turkey are very important. Same in Taiwan. Once you sign a paper, you must stick on it. So there is no divorce, there is no going back. And I am very happy to understand that Mr. Aydogdu understood my message that as early as next year and in the years coming, we will be able to see National Turkish Pavilion here in TIMTOS. And saying, of course, I would like to see TIMTOS to be presented in MagTech in Turkey. Well, in the machine industry, in the machine tools, you are doing a great job. You are the ones who are increasing our numbers. But there is a big potential, there is a lot of room to grow, and I tell you what, the sky is the limit. You ask me for direct flight, you got it. You ask me for visa, you got it. You ask me for free visa, you got it. Now please, no more excuses. Just do the business. Thank you so much.